How can you be effectively working when you cannot even treat government agencies with that same respect that you would expect yourself to be treated? Being senator of the country, of the land, does not make you above the law and does not give you license to just barge in with little knowledge about what the situation is. Worse, with little knowledge of the law, barge in and berate government agencies. Worse, huwag mo naluoy atong driver. Ang driver atong bus, ang employee that was manning, we go to the north, manning the CRs. Ingon anak siya mo treat of ordinaryo nga mga tao. Ako, mas mangaway pa tingali ko aning mga RDs. Kaysa ingon ana ang akong pagtrataw ng mga empleyado lang itaw, hindi gali makatubang sa eksakto kay itaw na ginabuhi rin na, soldado rin na sila. You don't treat ordinary people like that, whether a driver of a bus or a mere cashier who do not dictate policies anyway. So that just gives you an inkling of what the character of this senator is. Sure, he's very popular because he gets all of this media mileage. I'd rather not be popular, but I'd rather do it the right way. And I'd rather do it in a collaborative, coordinated, let's join hands together way, because not one single person can do it alone. Maybe to get media mileage, can do that. But do you think he'll be effective as chairman of the Committee on Transportation when he has already, there is a Cebu, antagonized our agencies, including me?